my name is Sherry, and my first language is Cantonese, and I'd like to join the first week of One Cent, One Challenge. Um, yeah.
This video is brought to you by Speak More Clearly, helping you achieve clear speech and correct pronunciation easily.
Yes, so I'll start from the V consonant, and this is the very first one. Okay, vacant, even, nerve, vegetables, conversation, active. Leave the stove over near the vacuum cleaner. The vegetable soup was full of flavor. He's moving to live in the valley. Please cover every avocado over there. Thank you so much, and yeah, that's it. Hi, this is Shara again, and this is the first week of my 1 week 1 cent challenge, and this is the end of the first week, and I was practicing the V consonants, and let's do it again. Okay, vacant, even, no, vegetables, conversation, active. Leave the stove over near the vacuum cleaner. The vegetable soup was full of flavor. He's moving to live in the valley. Please put every avocado over there. And that's it. Thank you.